2024 is here. So much had gone into 2023. As a woman, have you been stuck, felt unfulfilled, stagnant? You are not sure? You're struggling. The Women College of Ministry, otherwise known as Women Training School, we are resuming on the 20th of January 2024. Hear me and hear me profoundly. We have graduated thousands of women. This is the 54th set of the Women Training School. Women College of Ministry has been an institution to impact, to affect, to make people realize their purpose, their mandate, to remove those burdens on your shoulders. Maybe you are looking for a way to figure things out. You're stuck, actually. You are really, really stuck. This is a platform for you to realign your life and start a new life. Just for 4 weeks. Saturdays only, 12 noon to 3 p.m. And guess what? Distance is not a barrier. You can attend from any part of the world and join us on different platforms that we're going to be teaching. For more information, please text us. WhatsApp +234 90 20 10 10 80. There are a lot of courses. You have your handout. This is a season to take all you can all you take, to sit on the can, to open the can when you can. For a woman, seasons are seasonal. This is the time to start the new year. Looking forward to seeing you in class. Thank you. See you there.